Hello, beauties. Today, I'm showing you how to achieve a flawless look using my favorite Beauty Relay London products. First, I am starting with Skin Paint's CC Cream for a smooth, even base that hydrates and perfects the skin. Here I am using ivory shade of it. It goes well with my complexion. 1. Gives radiant complexion. 2. Lightweight formula. 3. Enhances skin texture. 4. Oxygen boost. Next, I'm outlining my lips with Marker Outline the Lips Lip Liner for precise definition. To add a pop of color, I'm applying Marker 2 in 1 matte lip polish for a bold, long-lasting finish. Finally, I'm setting everything in place with Set the Base Loose Powder to keep my makeup looking fresh all day.